Let's say you walk into a store and they had a promotion. Buy one, get one free. That's a great example of how companies were using the promotion part of the 4Ps to attract customers, right? Then came to the 1990s, and the world changed because the internet entered the picture. And suddenly, companies could reach customers online. This was the start of online advertising. Remember the early days of the internet? Companies began sending emails with offers, and a website became the new storefront. Back in the 90s, companies like Amazon started selling books online. It seemed so simple back then, but it was the beginning of e-commerce as we know it today. 2000. Fast forward to 2000. And now social media is here. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram changed everything. Suddenly, companies could talk to customers directly, and a customer could talk back. It was not just a one-way conversation anymore. You could comment, or share an ad, and companies started paying attention to what you said. It is 2000's social media era. Ever commented on a brand's Instagram post and gotten a reply? That is a perfect example of how companies today create a two-way conversation with customers. By the 2010s, marketing had evolved again. Now it was all about content marketing and influencer marketing and omni-channel strategies. Companies were making sure you got the same experience whether you are online, in a store, or on a social media. They also started using influencers, people with larger followings, to recommend the products to you. Think of someone you follow on Instagram who talks about their favorite clothes, gadget, or food. Companies partner with this influence because they know you trust their opinions. It is not just about the product anymore. It is about the story and the people behind it. And here we are in the 2020s. Things have changed again. Now, it's all about e-commerce and mobile marketing. More people are shopping on their phones, and companies are using artificial intelligence. To predict what customer want, they are all using artificial intelligence. You might be thinking about buying something and suddenly an ad pops up on your phone. That is not a coincidence. That's all. AI. Ever talk about something with your friend, like a new pair of shoes, and then ad for that exact pair shows up Facebook or Instagram? Yeah, that is AI at work. Learning what you like and showing advertising that matching your interests and preferences. So, we have seen marketing has changed a lot over the years, from mass marketing in the 1950s to AI-driven personalized as today. It is all about understanding and connecting with the customers in different ways. And who knows what's next? Maybe we will be seeing advertising in virtual reality in the future? All right. That is nowadays situation and a phenomenon, social phenomenon. Now, how has the definition of marketing changed over the years? As you see, marketing concept defined by AMA in 1935. In 1935, the first formal definition of marketing was all about distributing goods. But today, marketing is focused on creating value, not just for companies, but for customers and society. It is all about relationships now. Can you think of an example? Let's take Netflix again. It is not just about offering you movies. They are using data to personalize your experience, keeping you engaged and happy. That is kind of a relationship modern marketing is about, right? Gary Brunswick study. As Gary J. Brunswick pointed out, the definition of marketing has changed significantly over time. In the past, it was all about economic activities like distribution, but now marketing involves creating value for everyone involved, customers, partners, society as a whole. So, what's the main point here? Marketing has evolved to be about relationship, not just a transaction. Gary J. Brunswick's study pointed out. Now, let's take a look at Brian T. Latchford 2020 studies. It shows how marketing research has shifted. Before, it focused mostly on the 4 Ps, but now we use advanced methods like big data and AI to understand the customer behavior and making marketing more personalized. What does that mean for the future of marketing? Well, it is all about being smarter and more precise in how companies reach and engage with customers. So, what does the future hold for marketing? AI, machine learning, and ethical marketing. There are 3 factors to influence on the future for marketing. AI, machine learning, and ethical marketing are going to be huge. Companies will be able to create even more personalized experience, while also thinking about issues like privacy and sustainability. All right, everyone. Let's talk a little about AI and machine learning. That is super easy to understand. You have probably heard these terms a lot, but what do they actually mean? First, AI, artificial intelligence. AI is like teaching a machine to think and solve problems like a human. right? Imagine you have a smart assistant on your phone like Siri or Google Assistant. You ask it a question, it gives you an answer based on the information it has learned. That is AI in action. It is making decision and giving you solution and kind of like a human would, right? Now, machine learning is a specific part of AI. This is where machines get even smarter over time by learning from data. It is like training a dog over time. The dog learns to follow commands based on repetition and rewards, right? In the same way, machines learn from the data they receive and get better at making prediction or decision. For example, Netflix suggests the movies you might like based on what you have watched before. That is machine learning working behind the scene. The more you watch it, the better you get at recommending things you will enjoy, right? So, to simply say, AI is like giving machine a brain. Machine learning is like teaching that brain to get smarter by learning from experience. It is not just about robot or high-tech stuff. It is about how machine helps in us in everyday life, from streaming service or to self-driving cars, right there. In summary, marketing has gone from being about distributing products to build a long-term value-driven relationship with the customer society. And as technology continues to evolve, so will marketing. Okay, and that's it. That is it for today. We have covered the definition, the history, and the future of marketing. Next time, we will study how these concepts are applied in real-world scenarios and theoretical concepts. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session.